Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand how to print inverted pyramid. So we have seen how to draw a pyramid or how to print a pyramid. Now we are seeing how to print the printed pyramid in an inversion or in an inverted manner. So I am going to start with new file. First of all, as usual, we are going to type here our header file #include stdio.h. So standard input output header file. And after that we are going to start with the integer main function. Inside integer main function, as same like printing patterns, we have to declare some variables and suppose rows. So we are using only two variables and one rows variable. Let's ask to the user which number of rows inverted pyramid you would like to print on the screen. So enter the rows number. Here I am asking like this way, and then /n, and let's read out the same by using a scanf with a %d, a format specifier, comma. We have to assign the same ampersand to the n. No, at here we haven't used n, we have used rows. So I have written it to the rows. Now it's time to use a for loop to print actual inverted pyramid. So I'm going to use for I equals to 1, comma, I would be less than or equals to rows, and then I plus plus increment of I, like this way. Inside that for loop I am going to print leading spaces which are very much required in printing something by using asterisk signs. So for j equals to 1, comma, j must be less than I, and then j plus plus. So here I have written for j. After that we are printing a leading space, so I am going to use a printf. Inside that I am just putting a space like this, and then after that we are going to print the stars. So that's why what I am going to do is I am going to start with a for loop, a new for loop after this. So for j equals to 1, comma, j, now here is the all about logic of inverted pyramid. So j is less than or equals to, in bracket, rows into 2. So here I am going to use a multiplication operator, into 2 minus, I am going to make it in bracket 2 into I minus 1, and then we are just incrementing I. So here I am putting a semicolon and j plus plus. So this is all about the inverting, and I am going to print the same, the asterisk sign. So here I am putting a asterisk sign with a printf. Now we are moving to the next line. That's why we use the printf statement for going to the next line. So I am inside that I am writing /n with a semicolon, and here is also a semicolon. So this is rows into 2 minus 2 into I minus 1 and j plus plus, and one more required thing is written 0. So this is all about inverted pyramid print. Let's save this file by xyz.c. So here I have saved by my name, you can save at your name, and then I am going to build this file. If build finished with 0 error, it's good to go to run. So it will ask you the enter of number of rows. I will ask for 4 and click on enter. So as you can see, a 4-line inverted pyramid is being printed. Let's try one more output. So I am going to put here a more one, that is 8. So here you can see 8-line inverted pyramid has been printed on the screen. I hope you understood the concept and the logic behind printing everything in an inverted fashion of asterisk signs. Thank you.